Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. I'm at the Magic Kingdom and it's already Christmas time. It's so amazing how they switch from Halloween to Christmas in like one day. Like literally as soon as Halloween was over on Saturday, the next day is already Christmas. So as we first walk in, you can see all the Christmas decorations right here. It's so cool. And then of course the big Christmas tree. How tall it is. Whoop, there it is. Oh man, oh man. And like of course on the all over down Main Street, I love this section because it has all the Christmas wreaths right here. Please.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply.
So inside of the Emporium, here's some of the Christmas merch they have, like the Christmas spirit jersey, and the long slide bag. So in Emporium at Magic Kingdom, they have new face coverings. The price went up to $9.99 now. And look at all of these different designs.
I know.
So
Yesterday.
look at that, it's so cool. You got Star Wars and then the ones with the different languages on it. Even they have the Christmas face coverings out right now. And they got Marvel. And look, Drax Skeleton. Let's see on this. Right. Oh, it's about the same thing. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. The end of the line for Thunder Mountain ends all the way back here, so I guess I'm gonna go join it because I really want to ride it. And look at Tom Sawyer Island, all the water is gone. This looks so weird. So just got off Thunder Mountain. Amazing ride as always. Actually one of my favorite rides here at Magic Kingdom. And also guys, did I tell you that the weather here is amazing? It feels so much cooler than it's been the last few times I came here. It's like about 70 degrees right now. It feels great. I wish it could be like this all year round.
Are y'all ready?
So walking through on Fantasyland right now, and it is so busy over here. Peter Pan goes back all the way over there. Small World queue goes back. They have another new queue line next to my favorite bathroom, the Tangled bathroom. I was like, whoa. And I'm so bummed out. I wanted to ride Splash Mountain earlier, and it went down like 2 times, so I was like, forget this, I'm not waiting anymore. But hey, I still like walking around the parks because the weather is really nice. And look who's joining me right now.
Hey guys.
It's Jerry, my theme park buddy.
I'm not surprised how busy it is on election day. I would have thought everyone would be at the polls.
Exactly, yeah. I guess, like you were saying earlier, the weather is nice out, so everybody
wants... It's a blessing. The weather is a blessing.
Yeah, usually it's never like this. Usually it's very hot and muggy and sweaty, and it's like you're dying out here, but it's been great, and it's like a constant breeze too, so it feels refreshing.
Well, I'm a trip.
Man picked a fine time to send them to recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Green
Line's
Squadron
moving
will
along
retrieve
pretty
the
quickly.
power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots.
You think you're gonna beat me on this ride and get a higher score? Are you gonna get the 99999?
No, actually I suck on this ride. I don't know where to hit.
That's like Men in Black though.
Yeah, but Men in Black, at least I know where to hit. I know I can score close to maxing out. I can't even come anywhere near that.
And get 94,000 and I only got 20,000. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry.
Oh no. So just walking through the hub right now. I still do miss seeing all those Mickey ornaments, pumpkin thingies hanging up there. And that was all Christmas stuff. And there comes a marching band around. Splash Mountain to see if it went back up, but it did because I really wanted to ride this, so I'm excited. And I'm here by myself with my friend There it comes. One on the boat right now. There you go. Hey. Yeah, I'm so happy I'm able to do this. This will be my last ride of the day, then I gotta head out. First I thought I was gonna have like this whole boat to myself, but there was only like 2 other people like on the very first row. So like they spread out the rows. But I like being in the back row, and the front row is usually my favorite one. I don't mind. That was fun. Got wet, my camera kind of got wet, but we did it. Yay! So this is gonna end the day here at Magic Kingdom. It was cool seeing all the Christmas decorations and getting the new mask, and I was able to go on Splash Mountain and do Buzz and Thunder Mountain. So it was a really cool day. The weather was great too. It was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this trip here with me at Magic Kingdom. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.